Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the language setting in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video for beginner that new into this game because previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's become EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So let's get started. Adjust your preference. You can change language setting in this setting button icon. Tap it. And as you can see, there are a lot of settings that you can edit or customize. I want to show you this one. Language. Select menu language like this. There are there are a lot of languages that you can change. For example, I want to change the Deutsch. Just tap confirm. Language will be changed and the game will proceed to the main menu. This may take a bit. Be patient, so you have to wait the process because it's take a bit time. So by default I'm using the English. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.